Hello, my dear viewers. This is the Dukas Copy Academy, and you're watching Forex Trading with Rakesh. Today is 8th of May 2024, and the day is Wednesday. I'm a Dukas Copy's trading community member. My name is Rakesh, and I'm your host here. Please do not confuse me as an employee of Dukas Copy Bank. I'm not their employee. I am an independent trader and a technical analyst. I'm here to showcase my support and resistance levels that are of importance in the daily time frame. We are discussing in the daily time frame and on the 4-hour time frame. Now, as a technical analyst, I know that every piece of information is already priced into the chart, so we do not talk about anything that is in the news or whatever has been happening around the world. So we just stick to the charts and the key levels of inflection for ourselves. Now, for this program, we'll be using the candlestick type of charts to find out the key levels for all the pairs that we see, and we'll also see how we can use those key levels into our trading setups. Now, when I say trading setups, these are on the demo. If you want to trade the real money, you should do your own research. I'm not supposed to give you any trading advice, so please do not look at this video or watch this video as a trading advice. This should be seen only as education or entertainment purpose. Now, at the end of the session, I'll be taking the questions from the viewers, so please ask your questions in the chat box that is provided, and if you have anything other to discuss, you can also write that in the chat and we can have a live discussion on that. If you have any particular pair that you want me to see live in front of you, you can request that also in the chat box. I will be very happy to do that for you. Now, before we begin, let me take you through the standard risk disclaimer first. There is a certain risk that is associated with the trading on margin, and the forex is traded on margin, so please understand the risk that is associated and then only jump to the charts. On your screens right now is the daily chart. I'm trying to do it quickly because I have to go at some place. Now, from here till here, if you throw this Fibonacci retracement, you see this was a swing, and 62%, like we were talking about, that is 105.60, is what we are expecting the price to come back to. For we can get short here. I mean, not only we, but all the sellers, they will be looking for this level of 105.60 level to go short in this dollar, because we have the targets on the low side at 103.62. The horizontal resistance is around 106.35, and also the previous support was expected to act as a resistance, but that is not acting, so now you can remove that. So now what you are left with, you are left with the level of 105.60 only, and also the 106.35 on the upside. On the downside, you have the first level at 104.38, which is the recent low, and the next level is at 103.62. Talking about the Great Britain pound, I think we had discussed it yesterday that till the time that we are trading above this low, we are bullish. 1.2465, that is saved today, and we are looking for bullish price action. 1.2634 is the resistance here, 1.2465 is the support. The price trading below 1.2465 will open up the way for 1.2299, so keep an eye on this level also on the downside. What about the euro dollar? Well, euro dollar has been very good. It is trading like higher highs and higher lows. Now, after the touch to this channel's resistance, the price is slowly getting down, but it can be a consolidation. So what we do is we throw a retracement on this also, because if we really want to go long, we are looking for a retracement of at least 62%, that is around this. So this is what I'm expecting. I'm expecting the price to reach here till 14th of May or before that, and then you go higher. My bias on the euro is bullish. Let's see what happens in the coming days. Australian dollar also, we have a bullish bias, although it found resistance at this 0.6644. Now, till the time the price is trading above 0.6465, I am bullish on the Australian dollar. And just like in the euro and in the pound, we had a Fibonacci retracement, we can also do it here, and we can expect the price to come back to 62%, that is 61.8%, around 0.6536, before it starts going higher again. You see the price action right now looks like bearish, but I'm bullish on these pairs because of this market structure. and around 0.6536 I'm expecting a huge support in this market. Talking about the New Zealand dollar, this is also on the similar lines. Now we have drawn Fibonacci retracements on every pair, so why not to do it here? Okay, in this case the 62% is coming around 0.5942 area, and that is perfectly aligning with the support area of here. So I'm expecting multiple supports here. One is this 61.8%, one is this previous high that now should be acting as a support. So there are more reasons with the buyers to go high rather than going low. So let's see how the things unfold. The first target on the upside is 0.6083. On the downside you can have support around, not here but here, that is 0.5874. What about the USD CHF? We are looking for shorting this, and the price has just entered the zone of resistance. Now this is a zone of resistance, but we are expecting the prices to go deeper around 0.9140 or at least 0.9114 before we start shifting lower. And on the downside we have the first target 0.9005 and the second target being 0.88932, third target being 0.8730. Actually this is not the target based on the daily. This is the target. Okay, sorry. All right, so what about the USD CAD? A rise higher, got rejected by this channel's resistance line, maybe headed towards 1.3632. Now the Canadian dollar being stronger than the US dollar today, you see all other currencies are going higher against the US dollar. No, only Canadian dollar is going higher. Okay, so I think Australian dollar and Canadian dollar both are very much strong than other currency pairs, other currencies majors, and that's why the price is trying to go lower in the USD CAD. Well, I'm expecting higher prices in this one, but I will not be buying this till the time price clears off from this falling channel. I think that is what you should also consider. And if the price comes back to the low of this about tomorrow, then we can look for the buying opportunities in the USD CAD with the target of 1.3785 and 1.3855 in the coming time. Well, dollar against the yen is still holding in that channel, and when that channel breaks to the downside, we'll be looking for the selling opportunities. We have talked about it that the price can go all the way to 157.01, but at least 156.03 is the minimum that we are looking for to go short in this market. Okay, now if the price keeps trading above 157, then we should not be looking for any selling opportunity in this one. New Zealand CAD, well behaved inside bar, nothing much. It may be a bullish flag or maybe a bearish pattern. Right now it is not certain. Any trade above 0.8248 will open the way for 0.8346, and if it returns from here, then there is a possibility of the price coming back to 0.8169. Bitcoin, a lot of consolidation, although we have seen a lower low and lower high is anticipated here, and the prices are expected to go lower in the coming time. It may be a break to the downside or it may be just consolidation. Brent, well, we had expected this, that the price will find some support at this broken trend line. Now see, this is how the price behaves. This was like an inverse head and shoulder, broken higher. It is approximately going to retest, and in fact today it has retested that area. Now this is a buying opportunity, but you do not want to hurry and buy the market when you are not supposed to, right? So what you do is you wait for the right opportunity. That is when the price trades above this channel, that is one thing, and after trading above, when it takes a support at the horizontal level like this, I think that should be your area of interest where you should be looking for the buying opportunity, that is above 84.61. well, that is my understanding. And if you think that okay, this is okay, here you will have even a market structure break also. So right now the price is in a bearish market structure. If it breaks higher, it would have broken the market structure, and that is a plus point. So it becomes an A++ trade above 84.61 only. What about the gold? No trading. It is just consolidating. When gold is consolidating, do not enter this. Guys, I'm trying to do it faster. Do not, do not be, what is it called? Don't be angry on me because I'm doing it fast, because there is nothing much in the gold. Okay. Yeah. This is something. We expected a breakout. The breakout happened. Now we are expecting it to act as a support. 38,278 is the support, and we are expecting the prices to rise towards 39,956. Any low should be seen as a buying opportunity. That's it. Euro JPY, a push towards 62% is expected before a fall to the downside. Now that is exactly what is happening, but if it continues higher than 168.72, we are not going to stay in this market. GBP AUD, a downside is possible to an extent of 185.90. Okay. Yeah. So this is what is expected, and the prices, I think, yesterday, today. All right. So I do not think that the prices are going to go higher anywhere from here. So yes, the downside is still 1.8590, and that is expected to be coming very soon. That's it. On the higher side, you can expect resistance at 1.9116, but I'm not even expecting the price to go to that level now. Before that, it will be shifted lower. CHF JPY, we are bearish on this one, but 61.8% is what I'm looking for to go short in this market. Right now, I'm not shorting, although it looks like that the price will keep going higher, but I think I will bank on this and expect the prices to go lower. So let's see how the things unfold. Right now, it looks like this swing low and swing high has a 68% here, sorry, 61 or 2% here, and I'm expecting to go short there, right at 172 levels. Australian dollar against the New Zealand, we expected this down move and expect 1.0931 to act as a support. If it doesn't, then the prices can go down, and below 1.0857 we will start looking for the selling opportunity. If it doesn't go below 1.0857, then we'll keep looking for the buying opportunities above that. Keep in mind. Euro CHF, we have nothing. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask me those questions. I will be more than happy to assist you in your journey. See guys, this is not only the trading that matters, right setups and right exits and entry points. These are not the only thing that matters. What matters is how you plan your trades, how you execute your trade, what is the consistent risk to reward ratio that you are keeping. Now, even if you lose 10 trades out of 20, it doesn't matter if you have more than 1:2 risk to reward ratio. So please bear this in mind. Just remember to only risk less than 1% of your entire equity on any single trade. Do not look for a potential profit, look for a potential profit of more than 3 times the risk. Now, if you are not looking for a potential profit of more than 3 times, that means your risk to reward ratio is not so good. Okay, you want your winners to be longer than your losers. So with this note, I shall end this live stream. Please press the like button if you find this video useful for you. If you want, you can leave your suggestions in the comment section. I'll try to implement them in my next videos, and please consider subscribing to the channel for more such webinars if you are new here. Have a good day. Thank you very much for watching. See you tomorrow at 1700 GMT. Bye bye. Take care.